Yeah. So for today, for example, I feel like doing my handstand. So let's try that. Yeah, I will be teaching you how you can utilize your breath. Yes, definitely this will require power and strength, flexibility, but you don't have to be so strong, yeah, physically to be able for you to lift your body off the ground. I am not physically strong, but I know how to utilize my breath. I know how to synchronize my movement with my breath. All right, so in the forward bend, the all arm balancing of forward bend. So this is not only applicable to your handstand actually, all asanas, this is applicable depending on where you want to shift your body. But in an arm balance, it's always a forward bend. Yeah, exhale. Good. So when you exhale, can you feel the outer body become so open, Uddiyana Bandha, but inside you become like hugging the muscles, hug the spine that creates your brace. And when you inspire the breath in, you will feel your energy, your body weight will shift forward and up, like you're actually doing like a pendulum. Yeah, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. All right. So you're gonna press into the handstand. Yeah, right at the top of the breath, not really the very top of the breath, but that point where you're gonna feel the lightest. You won't miss it. Yeah, that suspension. And then you're going to hold at the suspension just a bit, just a mild clip or kumbhaka, and then press and utilizing the power of your body and the coordination, definitely flexibility and mobility there, yeah, to lift your body off the ground, yeah. Such that, exhaling, may lightly release first. Sometimes I do this to loosen the joints, side to side. Good. Preparing, exhaling, breathing in, shifting forward at the top, press your feet, the hips are left off the ground and continue pressing, 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 and you hold it at the top. And here you just breathe, easy, relax the mind, and then to release, it's an inhalation to keep your body light. Inhale, yeah, as much as you can, control it, and landing your feet down the earth. Whew, that's fun. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not doing this as often as before, but it's so good to realize, yeah, we still have it. Yeah. So the moment we learn a certain component, yeah, your brain remembers and you won't lose it anymore. Good.